before going to the lesson, let us know the starter kit. So, write the correct word under each picture. So, some words are given and some pictures they have given. So, which word suits for the which picture we have to write it down under here. See here, they have given the place. So, in this space we have to write the answers. Okay, the boy what he is doing? This boy what he is doing? Is he is see here what in bed, on the bed, going to bed. What he is doing? He is going to bed. He is going to bed to sleep. So which one is correct for first one? Going to bed. So what you have to write? You have to write going to bed. Okay. Second picture. So see here what this boy is doing. What he is doing? In the bed. The boy he is in the bed. The second one is in the bed. Okay. Third one, what she is doing? She is on the bed. She is sitting on the bed. So on the bed. Okay. Write it down. Okay. So students, just we have completed first semester, no? So just we will see the lesson. So no need to do the know the question answers. So just know the story. So in next semester all the lessons we will do. So for that just I will tell the lesson. So don't go on writing the question answers. Okay? It's okay. Leave it. So let us start the unit. One morning Bill did not get up from his bed. Dad came into Bill's room. Bill was still in bed. He had pink spots. Dad, I am not well. Bill said, Dad, I am not well. I am feeling hot. I have pain in my head. Dad took care of Bill. Mom looked care of Bill. Bill said, Mom, I want a drink. Mom, here it is, my child. Bill. Dad, tell me a story. Dad told Bill a story. Bill. Mom, my head hurts. My spot itches. Sing me a song. Mom sang Bill a song. Dad called a doctor. It was evening. Bill went to sleep. Dad and Mom went to sleep. Now it was morning. Bill was better. He went to tell Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad were still in bed. Bill said, Woke up, Mom. Woke up, Dad. I am better now. Look, my spot have gone. Mom, Bill, dear, I have spots now. My spots itch, my head hurts. Dad, oh Bill, I am not well. My spots itch, my head hurts. Bill, Dad, I will take care of you. Mom, I will take care of you. Dad, I love you, Bill. Mom, I love you, Bill. Bill, I love you, Dad. I love you, Mom. So students, this is your lesson. Bill fell ill. So let us have the new words. First, what we will have new words. So let us have new words. So Bill, it is the name of a boy. Okay. Dad. So dad in the sense father, mom, mother, still, not yet, still in the sense not yet, spots, drink tell story. We know story. Students, you have to connect all these spellings. Okay. Tell, told, told. Past form of tell is told. Past participle of told is sorry. Tell is told. Okay. Heard, itch, sing, sang, sun. Okay, sing, sang, sun. Sleep, we know do not sleep, so we have to know the spelling of sleep. Okay. Better, better, good, better, the best. Okay. Wake, woke, open. Wake, woke, open. Okay. Okay. So take these words, students. Take all the words. Okay, students, let us have the lesson. See here. See, one morning Bill did not get up from his bed. So one day morning Bill he was sleeping. Night he was sleeping. So what happened one day morning when it was morning? He was not able to get up from his bed. So ಬಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಏಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತನ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕನೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ he was not able to get up. Why not get up from his bed? So Bill he was not able to get up from his bed. So dad came into Bill's room. So Bill he didn't come get up. So dad what he did? He came into Bill's room. And what he did? Bill was still in bed. He had pink spot. So when dad came into his room, Bill he was not yet. He was not got up. So for that, when the dad he came into the room, he saw Bill he had sleeping in his bed and he had pink spots on his body. ಸೊ ಬಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯಾಡ ಫಾದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಮಲಗಿದಾಗ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬಿಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. dad, he came into the Bill's room, and Bill, see here, Bill, he is sleeping, still sleeping in the bed. So dad, he saw the Bill, and see here on his face we can see pink dots. See, you can see pink dots on the face of Bill. So Bill, he had a pink spots on his face. So then Bill, he told Bill, see here, Bill, like this, if they give like this, that means Bill, he is talking. So Bill, he said that dad, he said to dad that, dad, I am not well, I am feeling hot, I have pain in my head. So Bill, he was not feeling good. So ill in the sense not well, unhealthy, ill, unhealthy. So not well. So take the word ill. New word. In the new word, take this word also. So ill, he was not good. So he was not feeling good. So Bill, he said his father that he was not feeling good. So what he was feeling? He was feeling hot. So he got fever. So Bill, he got fever, and his head was aching. His head was paining. So Bill, he was not good, and he got fever. He was feeling hot, and he was getting head pain. So Bill ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗುಂಟು, ಆರಾಮ ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ತು, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಬಹಳ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಅನ್ಸಾತೈತಿ. ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಅನ್ಸಾತೈತಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್? ಸೊ ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಲ್, ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಫೀವರ್. ಸೊ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಾವು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಂಗ. ಸೊ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ, ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಫೀವರ್? When we get fever, yes, our head, it starts paining. ಸೊ ತಲೆ ನೋವುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಿತ್ತು? ತಲೆ ನೋವಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಟು ಬಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಬಿಲ್, his head, it was paining. So he told his dad. So dad, what he did? Dad took care of Bill. Mom took care of him. Sorry, Bill. So when Bill is ill, he was not well, he got fever, and his head, it was paining. Then dad, what he did? Dad, he took care of Bill. And see here, in our home, when you fall ill, what they do? Mom and dad, what they do? They take care of you. Yes, no? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ದಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಳಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಳಜಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಕಾಳಜಿ ತಗೊತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಅಮ್ಮನು. ಎಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ Bill's dad and mom in the sense mother. So Bill's dad and mom, they also took care of Bill. Why they took care of Bill? Why? Because Bill, he was ill. So Bill, he got fever and headache and pink spots, they were on his body. So pink color, pink, you know, ಗುಲಾಬಿ. ಸೊ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಂದದ್ದೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಅವನ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಗುಳ್ಳೆಗಳ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ see pink spots, they were on the body of face of Bill. Okay, so for that, dad and mom, they took care of Bill. So Bill, mom, I want a drink. So Bill, now he is not good, he was not able to get up from his bed. So for that, he called his mom and asked her that to want to drink something. So he wanted to. So when you feel ill, what you do? You feel like you feel something to drink, like milk, water, like this. So for that, what we will do? You will call your mother for milk or water. So like that only, Bill, he also called his mother that and asked her to asked her that to he wanted to drink something. ಸೊ ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಮಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಮಮ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ the bill is now not good. So mom what she did, she took a glass of milk for the boy Bill, and so when he asked for something to drink, mom she gave milk to that boy. So she said him that here it is my child. So she gave the milk to Bill. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕಡೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಹಾಲು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಬಿಲ್ಲುನು ಕೂಡ ಕರೆದು ನನಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮಗ ಮಗು ಏನೈತಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲದ ತಗೋ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಮ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ giving milk to Bill. She is giving milk to the Bill. So like that she gave. So then Bill he said, once again he said his dad, called his dad, and dad tell me a story. So here see, dad and mom they are taking care of Bill. So now Bill he is not feeling well. So when he is not feeling well, what he wanted to listen some stories. So for that he called his father and asked him to tell some stories. So dad what he did, dad told Bill a story. So when Bill he asked to tell the story, dad he told a story to the Bill. Okay. So next what happens, let us see in the next class. So students, this is enough for today. In next class we will move towards the next lesson. So after finishing this lesson we will start the second semester's classes.